Hello again everyone, it's Paddy and it's time to finish up our Hero of the Storm boxes. So as mentioned, we ordered 12, Blizzard shipped 12, we're hoping they shipped us a full crate, and we just need to get the last 3 to go with those 9 back there. So the ones that are missing from the set, we haven't got an Arthas yet. We haven't managed to pick up a Diablo yet. We haven't got the chef skin for Stitches. So let's open these last 3 and hopefully we've got the full set. I will be very annoyed at this point, 4 videos in, if we end up with a duplicate. So as always, trying to guess what that is, and that's got a on there, hang on, is there something in the middle? On there. I think this is Diablo. I'm pretty sure this is Diablo. Otherwise, Elite Tauren Chieftain again, and then I'm not going to be happy. Oop, there's red in there, there's red. We have a Diablo. I repeat, we have a Diablo. Wow. For the stylized little look, that's a good Diablo. He's got his soulstone in his head. Properly spiked back. Not bad for a little mini Lord of Terror. It's Diablo's 20th anniversary this year as well, which makes me feel very, very, very old, considering I have played all of them. Oh my god. Right, moving on before I get too depressed. I'm getting old. That said, I'm getting old and I'm still playing with toys. So, things haven't gone that badly. Right. Box number 2 of this video. And it's another chunky one. And right, this has got spiky things. So I'm going to guess that this is the chef skin for Cookie. For Stitches. Cookie. You call him Cookie. Cookie's one of the Murlocs from World of Warcraft. No. No, we have a duplicate. That's annoying. So we have a second Elite Tauren Chieftain. And while a cool model, that means we definitely have not got a full set. That's mildly annoying, because these are blind boxes, means I can't just pick up the one that's missing. Right, so we'll put him there. Even Nova's that annoyed she's fallen over. Let's open the final box and hope we don't get 2 duplicates, and then we'll work out who's missing. So we're still missing, at this point, Arthas and the Chef Special Cookie. No, not Cookie, Stitches. So, oh, that's Arthas. That's the listing. The Frostmourne is very recognisable. So, in here. You know what? I also got some of the cute but deadly figures. And I actually think this version of Arthas looks cuter than the cute but deadly ones. Some more detailed model. Got little flecks of his hair popping through there. You've got the proper skulls on all his arms because he's a Death Knight. But yeah. Okay, so from the 12, I don't think we've done horrendously badly. It could have been worse, because obviously these could have just been from a random selection of boxes. When we ordered 12, we assumed that they'd just send us a full case, and we know from watching other people's videos that getting a full case of them will get you all 12.
Not necessarily, so it could have been a full case and we've just got unlucky and got a dupe.
But Joe in the background there, what was that?
Not necessarily. Some people
So some people have been
get a random duplicate.
Okay. Okay, so we
It's
might
not
not.
every time you're not guaranteed to get a full set.
I thought the Funko ones were guaranteed. Anyway, there we have our set of Heroes of the Storm. Is this Series 1 or Series 1 Funko Mystery Minis? Of this set, I think my personal favourite is the Witch Doctor. To be fair, I think he's properly detailed. He's got a few sneaky little Easter eggs, like his Zergling on the back, and he kind of gets the character just right. If I had to pick a worst one, it's a toss-up between the Crystal Nova, just on a personal basis. I think the coloured one's better. Or the Iron Patriot, the red, white and blue Rainer. Because I think his normal outfit is better, even though the version that I've got seems to be slightly off-coloured because Rainer's suit is meant to be black. But anyway, that was fun unboxing them. I might buy some more of these because I know there's a Series 2 coming. And if I get hold of the missing Stitches model, I'll do a video on it. But with that, we're done. So, see you later.